What is good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Dragon channel. I'm your host, Big Dre, as you know. And today's video is going to be about Boss Token. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell so you know whenever I release a new video. Now, as you can see, I've got a little different of a setup today. Got my laptop here, so you can actually see what I'm looking at. Now, I've got my mic, but unfortunately, just via sticks because I haven't got it plugged in. But it looks better on the camera, so we're going to keep it like that. All right. I should shout you guys out, but as I said, it's a new setup. I'm trying to get used to it, so you're not going to have to allow me for this one. But Boss Token. So, for those of you who don't know what Boss Token is, please go and check out my previous videos. I talk a lot about Boss Token and the project, what it's about, who's behind it. I do still believe in the project, even though it's sort of dead at the moment. Now, again, a lot of people messaging me saying that Zero, aka this guy, let me show you. Look, this is the done. Zero Waiting, he's the one that's actually created Boss Token. He's the founder, creator. And so when people are putting Twitter posts to him asking about Boss Token, or if they have anything that's not necessarily positive to say, he's just deleting the comments. And also on the Boss Token, they have their own Twitter page. Also, apparently on the Telegram, he's also deleting stuff off there. Personally, I haven't seen any of this information, so I can't confirm that. But in this update video, we're just going to look around at this, at the whole community itself and see what's happening. So as you can see, so when I actually started looking around at this stuff, he literally only uploaded this about 2 minutes before. So as we can see, he's still uploading as normal. If we go onto the Boss Token Twitter page, right, we're going for this thing. Alright, so we just wait for it to get up. Alright, cool. As you can see, they still follow me. So if we look at Boss Token, the last post was, let me see, so we got a pin post from the 8th of November. At one point, it was actually higher than Shiba Inu in terms of popularity. Let's open up so you can see it. That's all it really is. Then if we go to, we scroll down once this thing comes off. 1 second. Right, this thing's moving slow. So they posted on Christmas Eve. Let me see if there's anything else talking about. But to be honest, nothing really worth looking at, nothing worthwhile. Like, I don't know what's really going on with them, but I haven't seen anything exciting. So if we even go on to CoinGecko and have a look at the price, we can see it's actually been on a downward trend. Let me show you, look. So if we get this up here, so that's the past 7 days, as you see. But let me show you from the past 90 days so you can get the picture. So if you look at the last 3 months chart, you see it's just been pretty much like a steady downward trend, as you see. But obviously, the whole market's been on a downward trend since Bitcoin's been crashing. Everything's been crashing. Let me see if they've got a live chart yet. We can actually do some little graphs and draw this up to see if anything new's coming out. But based on what we're seeing on Twitter, there's nothing new to discuss. There's nothing new to update anyone about. Based on what we're seeing on his YouTube channel, there's not really much new to come out there either. So now obviously we're all waiting for something called Boss Track. And then what Boss Track basically is, if you use DeFi, if you know about crypto, you know what DeFi is. It's decentralized finance. Anyway, anyone who uses DeFi, all it enables you to do is you can use Boss Track in order to calculate your profits, losses, and see your whole portfolio on DeFi, all in one place. So yeah, anyway, this thing's saying I've got 30 seconds left. I'm not going to upgrade because I'm just trying out a new system. But yeah, guys, as I've said, as you can see, there's literally nothing really to talk about. There's nothing exciting, nothing new. So yeah, let me know what you want me to do in the next video. I'm going to put out another video tomorrow. It's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.